This sauce is easy, delicious, and you will spend less time in the kitchen making this. Hello, sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your chicken curry sauce. Let's get right into this. These are the most important ingredients you need: your eggs, your sweet corn, your vegetables, that's your carrots, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper, your chicken, coconut milk, Irish potatoes, and corn flour. And this your corn flour is going to serve as thickener. And all the ingredients and spices will be listed in the comment section. In the pot, you're going to add your chicken, your curry, your rosemary, ginger and garlic powder, and your dried onions with your bay leaf and your seasoning cube. Then you're going to add water inside and you're going to mix this together. Mind you, this is a soft chicken that I'm using and it doesn't take time to get cooked. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to boil between 7 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what we have. So our chicken is ready. All we have to do is just to sieve it. In another pot, we're going to add our stock to it. As you can see, it's sieved and neat. Then we're going to peel our Irish potato and we're going to add it to this. And also our sweet corn mixed together. At this stage, I'm going to ask you to taste your sauce in order for you to adjust its seasoning. But for me, this is perfect. I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit between 5 to 7 minutes on a medium heat, so our Irish potato and our sweet corn can get cooked. So we're going to add our coconut milk to this. The coconut milk is going to elevate the taste of this chicken curry sauce. Then I'm just going to stir a bit and cover this and allow it to boil for another 3 minutes on a medium heat. After that, we're going to add our boiled eggs to this. Stir a bit. Then we're going to add our vegetables to this. So we're going to stir this. I always advise you to use a wider pot whenever you want to cook, so it's easier for you to stir your food. Next step is to add our chicken. So we're going to add a little bit of water to our corn flour to mix it, and we're going to add it inside our sauce, and this serves as thickener. It's just for it to thicken a little bit. So as you can see, I'm going to stir this. After stirring it, I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook between 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. And after that, this is what we have. Our chicken curry sauce is ready, and feel free to serve this with any food of your choice. You can serve it with rice, you can serve it with your couscous, and time for us to plate this. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable meal. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.